I was completely satisfied with the work that was done from start to finish. I mean, it was basically flawless. U.S. Roofing did a phenomenal job. Esteban, the salesperson, did everything he said he was going to do when he said he was going to do it, and that is without exception. So start to finish, it was perfect. My salesperson, Esteban, was probably one of the most professional people I've ever dealt with. He and his dad approached me one Saturday in my driveway. I was unloading groceries, and I could just tell immediately that they were good people, and he just made the experience pleasant from start to finish. He explained everything. There was no mystery to any of it, and even my insurance adjuster made the comment that he was one of the most pleasant and professional people that she had dealt with, and she'd been doing this for 20 some odd years. So highly recommend Esteban as a salesperson. The communication was second to none. Every time I either called or texted my salesperson Esteban, he was immediate to respond and took the extra time to answer every question or concern that I had. I even called him on a weekend, and he responded immediately. So no stone unturned with the communication. I would absolutely recommend U.S. Roofing to anybody that I know. I would have no problem giving them an endorsement, because based on the experience I had, I believe I could have complete trust in them. You know, if you ask me what could U.S. Roofing improve, I really can't think of anything. I know I am very particular about my home and my yard, and I came home from work after the first day of the work being done, and I remember thinking there is no way that they're going to be able to leave this like they found it. But when I came home from work the second day, the only way I could tell that they had been here was I had a brand new amazing roof on my home. So what can they improve? I really don't know. I'm sure we all have areas for improvement, but I really can't name anything in particular. It was a phenomenal experience from start to finish. You know, the most amazing thing about this whole experience was we really didn't think we could get a new roof. We'd made a claim a couple of years ago. It was denied, and my wife and I had kind of been dreading that, you know, our roof now is 15 years old, and we're thinking before long we're going to have to spend $15,000 on a roof. And Saturday morning I was unloading groceries. Esteban and his father just approached me in my driveway and said that they were doing a roof up the street and wanted to inspect my home, and I told them, you know, have at it. And I really didn't expect it to go anywhere, but not only did it go somewhere, Esteban took me from start to finish. He dealt with my insurance company. All of that went flawless, and the bottom line is I would not have even gotten a new roof had they not approached me that day and guided me through the process. I didn't think that it could happen, and it did.